Well, I've never been outside the kitchen before, but let's see what I can do now. The knife is over there. Let's go get it. Okay, where is it? Oh, here it is. Ah! Hot! 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 Ah! I just saw myself! Okay, let's go try it again. Okay. Okay. I really don't know what else to do now. Let's go back up to the house. No! 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 Come on, get back in my house. Okay. Ah! I can't pick it up. Okay.
Did someone call the fire department?
No.
Then why am I here?
I don't even know at this point.
I was told to come here. There was a fire. Some guy was yelling.
That's probably next door.
Well, I'm not leaving until you tell me where next door is. I don't see anyone around this place.
So, how dumb are you?
I don't see anyone around
That's
this
it.
place.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Ah! Stupid idiot. Okay, now it's time to hide the body.
If that was a fake knife, I am not dead. And where is that next door? That is a fake knife. Oh, no, this one's real.
This guy's like Jason Voorhees. He never dies. Oh.
That was still a fake knife.
It was?
Yes, it was.
Okay, so I'm outside now. I think I'm gonna go back into the kitchen. Ah! Oh well. I think he's dead. It's good to be back into the kitchen. Hey, Chef PeePee. Hey, Junior. Can I have SpaghettiOs? No! Remember last time? No! 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 No SpaghettiOs! No SpaghettiOs! You got something else? Eat salad. I'm going on my break.